Welcome to the Hotpoint factory outlet, where we give new life to refurbished appliances. You can buy a wide range of Hotpoint, Indeset and Whirlpool products. Every appliance is reworked to its highest possible standard right here by us in our own factory. All appliances are inspected, repaired if necessary and tested by our own certified engineers. Thanks to our know-how and the use of genuine spare parts, we offer a new life to the product in a sustainable way. New life is all about making conscious choices and caring for the environment. We offer two different grades of appliances, R grade and M grade. Now both grades are fully protected by our manufacturer's guarantee. R grade is cosmetically perfect once installed, and our M grade may have some visual cosmetic damage. Now once reworked, appliances are carefully packed for transport with our sustainable packaging. Our 3 Hotpoint factory outlet stores are located in Peterborough, Yate and Gateshead. We open to both the public and trade 6 days a week. Same day collection is available and appliances can be reserved for a period of 48 hours through our website. We'll also help load your newly purchased appliance into your vehicle, or local delivery can be arranged for a fee, and we also provide a free disposal of your old appliance service. Last but not least, we offer a range of W Pro cleaning products to help protect and prolong the life of your appliance. So visit us today to discover how we can help you find the perfect appliance for your needs while making a positive impact on the environment. For more information, you can visit our website, Facebook or Instagram, the Hotpoint Factory Outlet, caring for our customers and our planet.